The sunrise told, talked, and talked to me is that don't search for validation from others. And I feel like अभी के सब लोग they are running for love outside, not inside them. बाहर कोई मुझे प्यार कर ले, कोई मुझे वैलिडेट कर दे, कोई मुझे बोल दे कि हाँ you are great, you are good. Do not search. Search inside yourself. Inside yourself. Search it. You have everything inside yourself. Everything you have. Really. I'm saying it with whole experience. I'm saying it to you that I'm an athlete too. I was an athlete. But an athlete is always an athlete, I think. I'm practicing it now again. I am being that version which I was again, and I will be that. I'm telling you all. Because it is all on us. मतलब there are many age जो हमारे एज के बहुत बच्चे हैं, बहुत हैं. They search for love outside, but I found it inside. I found it here. I found it in the trees. I found it in nature. I found that how much love they give to us, how much care they give to us, how much oxygen they give to us, how much pure air they give to us. So the love which we are searching in the person is given by God in a small blessings which we ignore like nothing. That this is nothing for us. This is very much for us. When you start loving yourself, you start accepting yourself how you are as a person, which you can't change. The things your nature can't change as much as you think. You can't change that nature so much. You will start accepting who are you as a person. Then you start attracting others. People start loving you, and this is the time. Actually, this is happening. I go anywhere, the people start, they want to talk to me. I've seen it, every time I've seen it. Because I know my value. You should know your value very much. You should know कि तुम्हें गुस्सा इसलिए आता है, तुम्हें गुस्सा शांत करने के लिए होना चाहिए. जब कोई इस रैंडमली सामने कोई क्वेश्चन पूछ ले, you should not know everything, but you should know a little bit of youth. अपने लिए कुछ जानना चाहिए. उसके लिए you need experience, but learn from the experience and build your experience, dear. Build it. And I know you all will do amazing things in life. I believe on you all. कोई नहीं करता believe. Let it be यार. कोई की validation में तुम नहीं आए हो दुनिया में. God has given you that validation that you came on this earth for a task, for your own journeys. See the flower. You are capable of everything. Please come and love the nature. So recently, अभी मुझसे किसी ने I was thinking that the person is my friend, but he was liking me. He was liking me more than a friend. He said me once. मतलब कल ही हुआ था ये, कल ही ने बोला मुझसे. I said okay, but with full clarity. And I said to him that clarity is the hardest gift, but to accept, but it gives you heart a open pathway that you can move with a new smile, with a new you. मतलब तुम जान गए कि हाँ you're not in maybe में stuck नहीं हो तुम. मैंने उससे बोला कि you're not stuck in maybe कि हाँ मुझे पसंद करती है कि नहीं. You know now. मैंने हमेशा तुम्हें फ्रेंड की तरह देखा. I've never seen you as that what you thought. Never. As a good friend only. Nothing कुछ ऐसा मेरी तरफ से नहीं है. He understood it. I said him that is the hardest gift which I could give you, and that's the only thing. And accept it, because acceptance gives much more. And if you don't want to talk to me, it's up to you, because I don't need, because I know myself. When you start knowing yourself, you don't run for anyone, for any friendship. You don't run back to back. नहीं. But मैंने friendship निभाई ना. This my heart and my God knows. With full honesty, and I have done it with full honesty. कभी भी ज़रूरत पड़ती, I was always available. So that's the point of thing which आई सीन अ फ्रेंड, पर नहीं, अगर नहीं है कोई ऐसा फ्रेंड, अभी नहीं है, I don't run after him. I'm not running after him that he's mad. I said, it's on you, you can, I don't have any problem. I just said this and end up the call and I'm like, okay, done. So learn it. I learned. I felt a little bad after that. I said, okay, it's life. And actually बहुत मुझे ऐसा हो रहा था कि मैं परेशान हो रही थी, क्योंकि वो ऐसे मैसेज केयरिंग वाले भेज रहा था. आई वॉज लाइक, क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, क्यों ऐसे भेज रहा है. एंड ही पहले भी ऐसा होता, मैंने बोला तुम क्यों ऐसे भेजते हो. ही वॉज लाइक, आई एम जस्ट जोकिंग, मजाक कर रहा हूँ, मेरे दोस्त मजाक नहीं कर सकते. मैंने कहा ओके, बट लेटर ऑन व्हेन ही कन्फेस्ड, उसने बोल दिया, आई वॉज लाइक चलो ये चीज़ सामने आई, एंड नाउ आई विल मेक श्योर दैट इट वोंट go ahead, and I will make sure that I am now free from it. Now I'm free from it. I'm really happy to God. I'm really happy to the universe. I'm really blessed with that universe. That He has cleared all the pathways. You know, that's the point. So love yourself first. When you love, क्योंकि अगर देखो दो individuals मिलते भी हैं अगर, तो वन कंप्लीट पर्सन बनते जो मिलते हैं, तो वो एक दूसरे पे इतने डिपेंडेंट नहीं रहते हैं. दे आर कंप्लीट मतलब क्या, उन्हें पता है कि उन्हें खुश रहने के लिए किसी और की इतनी ज़रूरत नहीं है ज़रूरत ठीक, पर इतनी नहीं है. यू आर कंप्लीट पर्सन. दूसरा जो वो भी कंप्लीट है पूरा. व्हेन तब तुम लोग मिलते हो ना, इट इज़ अ ग्रेट बॉन्ड यू शेयर. बट वन अनकम्प्लीट, मुझे अपने आप को मैं जानती नहीं थी हूँ आई एम एज अ पर्सन. मैं अंदर गई, डीप सर्च इन साइड मी, वेरी डीप सर्च, कि मुझे बात गुस्सा आया, मुझे बात गुस्सा क्यों आया और किस लिए आया, क्या मुझे क्यों आया, मतलब रीज़न वॉज सो क्लियर कि मुझे क्यों आया गुस्सा. इट वॉज माई फॉल्ट, उनकी फॉल्ट, किसकी फॉल्ट. आई एनालाइज्ड एवरी टाइम दिस, एंड नाउ आई एम सीइंग माई सेल्फ अ डिफरेंट पर्सन, टोटली डिफरेंट. सो लर्न दिस थिंग्स. Be complete in yourself. Be complete, dear. Be complete. So, thank you for listening to these small things which I experienced in my life, and I also wanted you should share your experiences with me too. I love to read it. Bye bye.